Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chelsea on in the world. Today I'm doing a vlog. I'm going to Niagara Falls with my friends. They don't want to come into my video, so I'm not going to bring them into the video. So I'm going to take you guys along. Stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. Okay?
Say hi.
Hi guys, meet Barnabas. I'll be interviewing him next week. He's a PhD student in Waterloo, so I'm going to interview him and he'll tell you about his journey in Canada. They're posted on my YouTube channel. The sun is on my face. Barnabas, say hi. Peter, do you want to say hi? No, he's a senior man. The blue is the US people and the red is the Canadian people. And look at the falls. So beautiful. Looks like there is steam coming out of it. So nice. So if the red people cross to the other side, they are in the US, and if the blue people cross to the other side, the red side, they are in Canada. You can see them going. They are all in their lanes. I don't know the border. I don't see any border, but what I know is if they cross the other side, they are in the US, and if they come here, they are in Canada. The sun here is so hot. So guys, now we are more closer to the fall. So guys, this part of the walkway feels like it's raining, but actually it's not. It's just the wind that is blowing the fall and actually feels like it's raining, but it's not. So see where the waters are coming from, all the way, and everything goes down there. I don't know what's down there. I wish. This way my phone falls inside here. Otilo. It goes. It don't go. It's so pretty.
Inside there.
So guys, in the video that there were Americans in blue and Canadians in red, I said that there was a border in between the water. So this is what this write-up is saying about the border. So you guys can pause it and then read and get to know why there is a border. Water, so come along with us. on the
Oh,
boat.
I'm sure we'll get the top.
We want to sit on the top because
Everybody wants to go to
we
the
want
other
to
side
have a big,
because it's going to face the
a
US.
great view. YouTube video.
Oh, okay. Upside down building. The roof is down and the ground floor is up. So nice. Hi guys, welcome to the end of my vlog. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We are waiting for our bags to go back to Waterloo, which is going to take us 5 hours to get home.